I was sent this rolling kitchen island from Yaheetech and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. Well, here's what you're going to get. It's a very, very solid rolling kitchen island. You can also remove the casters though, because they give you some static feet that you can put on there with rubber bottoms if you don't need it to roll. But if you do, it's got casters on the bottom, 3 shelves, even a wine rack built in, and even a power strip too. So if you've got power needs like running a lamp, running a wine opener, then you can do that with this device. It's made out of an all steel construction. It's very, very solid, very strong. Overall, the thing feels quite heavy. Each of the 2 shelves in the top are solid all the way through. The bottom one has these perforations. Underneath, you've got wine glass holders built right in, these little racks here. There's 2 of these racks, and then there's a larger one here as well. So you can put other items that are a little bit more width under there. Overall, it's very sturdy. It was very easy to put together. Took probably 20 minutes. They give you all the tools that you'll need, all the hardware, even extra parts. So if you did lose a bolt along the way, you're going to find an extra one in there as well. The finish is nice and shiny here. It's got a gloss finish on it. It would work great in a kitchen, or in this case, this is outside of a bar. Anywhere that has those wood accents, then this is the style you might like with the black trim. Overall, I'm really impressed. It's very nice. I like the ability to be able to move it around as needed. You need to clean behind it, whatever. The casters are really nice. And they both got locking portions here as well, so you can lock them in place if you needed to. But yeah, definitely would recommend. It's sturdy, has a lot of different uses, and I think you'd be pleased with it. Hey, I hope that helps. Have a great day.